Here with Cam Atkinson tonight in Pittsburgh. Cam, first of all, you got that first goal against Minnesota the other night. How big was that, not only just for you, but for the team after that hard-fought first period to get on the board first?
Yeah, obviously it was nice to get a goal for myself, but to get the boys going, it seemed like once we got one, the floodgates kind of opened for us, and the momentum was definitely in our hands.
Tonight against the Penguins, this is going to be a different style than the Minnesota Wild plays, but how much do you guys have to stay with your style? How important is that going to be?
Oh, very important. We're not going to change our game just because we're playing a different opponent. We play a fast game and we get on the forecheck pretty hard. And obviously, Penguins got some superstars in their team, but we're just going to play our game and good things will happen.
It can be kind of tough, I guess I should say, not to get sucked into that sometimes, though, isn't it? When they get running around at full speed.
Yeah, for sure. Obviously, you can only contain them for so long. They're superstars and. They're going to work their magic, but we play a structured game like we're capable of playing, and we'll have some success.
Combination of practices last week and back-to-back wins, that success, what's that done for this team in the last few days?
Oh, it's huge. I think Rich's philosophy and all the players' philosophy is in order to have a good game, you have to practice hard, and that kind of relays over to the game. So we've had some good practices, hard practices, and it's definitely showing in the results.